Let us discuss the fifth unit of power plant engineering for final year mechanical engineering students. This fifth unit mainly contains power from non-conventional energy sources and power from nuclear energy sources. Non-conventional energy sources are also called as renewable energy sources. These non-conventional energy sources can be replenished or reproduced by the nature in the earth or space year by year or season by season. That is why we are calling them as renewable energy sources. Conventional energy sources are example petrol, diesel, coal, gas, likewise. As a human beings are continuously using them, one day they will be depleted very fastly. That is why world is focusing and concentrating very much on the utilization of non-conventional energy sources. What are the examples for non-conventional energy sources? Solar energy, wind energy, ocean energy, tidal energy, wave energy, geothermal energy, biofuel energy or energy from biomass. Among these sources, solar energy is called as a primary energy source and remaining wind energy, ocean energy, tidal energy, wave energy, geothermal energy, biofuel energies are called as secondary energy sources because these wind, ocean, tidal, wave, geothermal and biofuel energies are purely depend upon solar energy. Without solar energy, we cannot expect these secondary energy sources, that is wind, ocean, tidal, wave, geothermal and biofuel energies. That is why solar energy will be treated as primary non-conventional energy source or primary renewable energy sources. Now, how to get solar energy or how to harness the solar energy or how to collect solar energy? The devices which are used to collect the solar energy is called as solar collectors. Before discussing the solar collectors, let us discuss three terms which are generally used in solar energy. They are solar radiation, solar irradiation, solar insolation. Let us discuss the working principle of solar air heaters or air collectors. You are seeing a typical schematic diagram of a solar air collector. Curved inclined line shows diffused radiation, straight inclined lines shows direct radiation. By using this also we can collect both diffused radiation and scattered direct radiation. Here you are seeing glass sheet, absorber plate and fins and thermal insulating material. Approximate size of this collector is also similar to liquid collector. 2 meter length, 1 meter width and 15 centimeter thickness. Here also seeing mineral wool or a glass wool which is used to prevent the heat loss from the system to the outside of the outside circulating air. This is a closed, very tight seal to prevent the heat losses. We are seeing the fins attached to the absorber plate. Through this gap, you are seeing a small gap or a space. Understand? Through this space only, air will be flows. As the air is passing through that passages. Because of the temperature difference, the air will be heated up. Being these are the transparent sheets or glass. Basically, the absorber plates are two types. They are non-porous absorber plate type and porous absorber plate type. In non-porous absorber plate type, the absorber will be placed in this way without fins. Okay, if non-porous absorber plate is with fins, it will be like that. This is the straight fins. This absorber, non-porous absorber plate may be with U fins and non-porous absorber plate with V corrugated type fins. This porous absorber plate type, its cross section may be like this. All these are the porous structures. Cross section of porous structure will be shown, and it will be maybe in this fashion. Through these small openings, small passages, air will be flows, and it will spend certain time inside the chamber. As it is spending the certain time inside the chamber, the heat will be transferred from the absorber plate to the air, because all these absorber plate and metallic and structure are metallic type. So metals will transfer the heat to the circulating air. The heat transfer can be improved by attaching the fins to the absorber plate. We have to make the air to flow to stay certain time inside the chamber for better absorption of the heat. In the absorber plate, we can provide certain baffles. These are called as baffles. These baffles will obstruct the passage of air. It will obstruct the passage of air. That means air will maintain or air will stay certain time inside the absorber chamber. That is why there is a much chances for transfer of the heat. By using solar air collector and solar liquid collector, we can get temperature less than 100 degrees only. We cannot get the temperature greater than 100 degrees. That is why we will use these solar air heaters for just domestic purpose and agriculture purpose only. We can dry the crops, we can dry the crops like maize and popcorn, and we can use this hot air to dry the colors of the automobiles. In next video, we will discuss the working principle of focusing collectors or concentrating collectors.